Hey everybody, Prepperners1 here. Today is Sunday. I believe it's the 4th. Don't hold me to that because I'm not 100% sure. I believe it's the 4th though, of March 2024. Beautiful, beautiful day here at the homestead. My neighbor just stopped in. I had told him, I said, hey, stop down. I said, I want to, I got some eggs I'll give you. So I just gave him a couple dozen eggs. So, and he hadn't been down in here quite a while, so I was kind of showing him around and showing him everything that we've been doing down here, and he's like, wow. He goes, you guys have been really busy. And I'm like, well, we're working on it, so. But anyway, that's what we're doing there. And so he came, like I said, came to visit. And solar's cranking today. We'll kick in here real quick and I'll show you. Wow, okay. So 94% in charging. It is probably 11:30 in the morning. I had checked earlier and the batteries were at 76, so with the sun out there, just cranking today, which is a good thing. But so you saw this out here, and I'll show you. So the question I'm going to ask everybody: does this happen to you? Because it happens to me, and it's so weird. I know it's something that happens. Yeah, so I'm getting. So this is inside out. I spun it around and was getting all the crap out of the nooks and crannies of her bed, and getting that cleaned up, and that's where a lot of that hair and stuff came from. But I woke up this morning and I was like, you know what? Time to start cleaning. I don't know why. So I've been working on inside the camper, and I started first of all in my bedroom and in the bathroom. So that's what I'm actually working on now. And I'm like, well, I gotta stop. I gotta make a video because I know what's gonna happen. I'll just keep going, and and work my way out. But so anyway, just working on that right now. So that's my one of the things that I'm gonna do. But I think it's like that change in the weather. You feel it, and you're like, okay, wintertime, forget about it. Zero motivation. Don't feel like doing squat. I'm not a winter person in any way, shape, or form. Do not like winter. So I'm like, no. But it's like I said. I'll show you. I am shirtless today. I think we're gonna get into the 60s today, something like that. It's so nice, and it feels so good. The sun feels awesome, and you can kind of feel that change. Okay, we're right there. We're right there. Spring is right around the corner, and things will start greening up, and it'll be much, much better. But anyway, again, I'm going to ask: do you guys feel that motivation too? Certain times of the year where you're like, okay, well, let's get rocking. I mean, I had all winter, folks. And many days in the middle of winter. The weather was miserable outside, and I could have done like a complete cleaning of everything, and I just didn't do anything. But now the weather's nice. I got the screen door open, getting some fresh air into the camper, and I just feeling super motivated. And so I'm like, well, cleaning day. Real quick reminder. I will be live streaming tonight at 8 p.m. So I would encourage you all to join me then. We'll have a good discussion, and we will go from there. But yeah, today is I'm actually, I got to see what I'm doing here. But I'm going to take some of the buckets here, put them in the trailer, take some gravel up in the upper meadow there. The one turn, I want to hit that corner with stone. Over there, so that's one of the things. I'm probably going to get that done today. I just got to see how far into the cleaning I'm going to go, and then we'll go from there. But I'm not too far away from being done in the bedroom, and then as far as that goes. So we'll see what happens. And like I said, the bathroom is pretty easy as far as that goes as well. So won't take me long to get those all squared away. But just like I said, in that weird mindset, and I'm like, okay, it's time. here we are. Spring is here. Let's go. Let's get this going, you know. But happy about that. And so, you know, everybody's coming down this next weekend, and we'll be working on a myriad of little projects. The bunker will be worked on again, of course, as well. You know, getting these water totes will be in here and trying to get them moved around to whoever wants them and where they want, you know, and get them down to their buildings. And, you know, and we'll start doing that type of thing, and we'll get that all squared away. But like I said, pretty happy about the whole thing overall, that we got these new totes. We got 20 of them coming, and so that is a good thing. Jimmy was letting us know he had picked them up at Bud's and took them back to his place, and he's in Pennsylvania, and he was getting 8.6 miles per gallon, because you got to figure, you know, that size tote, too wide, stacked too high on a trailer, the drag on that has got to be tremendous. So, you know, that was kind of where we were looking at that going, man, it's got to be brutal. But so we will have food grade totes here to store water in. So again, elated about that, looking forward to having that, and then you know, just kind of going from there. Eventually you will see small towers with the other kind of totes, like those ones that had oil and that type of stuff in them. They will be up on towers full of water, and that'll be fire suppression material. So you'll see them by every building, and you know, there may be, depending on the size of the building, like Dave's building, we'd probably want to have at least 2 of them down there, you know. Johnson's building, he'd probably only need 1. Rob would probably want to have 2 by his building as well. So, you know, we're going to have to get things organized. Like all those totes up in the upper meadow, they're going to need to get moved too. And so we'll figure out where we're going to put all of them, and we're going to kind of go from there. But looking forward to this year, folks. Lots to do, lots to get accomplished, and we're just going to, like I said, we're going to work on things and go from there. But I'm excited the direction that we're heading. Like I said, we sat down in January and we were having a discussion. You know, January and February we knew were not going to be great months as far as doing a bunch of stuff, but we did build that woodshed there in January. Got all that wood that was all over the place stacked up in January. That was huge. Last month, when we got together, you know, we worked on the bunker exclusively that because it rained the entire weekend. So, and that was a mess, you know. Now we have the winch, so we're gonna get that set up this month so that we can utilize that when we're working in the bunker. So, you know, like I said, it's baby steps. Everything is baby steps, and getting things in the right direction and all that type of thing. So, but it's coming together. But we'll get there. We will absolutely get there. And so anyway, just kind of giving you an update of what's going on, where my mind is at today and what I'm playing with. And I'm going to continue on in the camper doing what I need to do. So I'm going to jump off of here for now. Remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we're going to be in much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. If you stay positive and stay away from the negativity, you're going to be just fine. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.